Alright, so we're going to go over question 3, and so this is going to be the longest substring without repeating characters. So basically it's going to give us a string like this, and it wants to know what's the longest string that we can give, like little substring, that won't repeat it. And so that includes like B, so it's just like, if say this were like A, B, C, A, and then like all different letters, those wouldn't count, even though like it wouldn't be able to do like the whole thing, even though it's not like consecutive, because like you can't have the same letter in the substring at all. So yeah, so basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically kind of like run like a window. So we're gonna have basically be checking from like left to right, and then we're gonna add those characters into a set. So basically we could check every time to see, be like, okay, well, is it in the set? Then we don't. Then if it is in the set, then we can just adjust the window however we need to. So we're gonna say for right in range len s. All right, and then for right off the bat, we're gonna be while s right in chars. So okay, so basically we're gonna be like, okay, so if we go across this, so we finally get A, B, C, and be like, okay, well, if A is in chars, which it is, we gotta basically adjust left until it's not in. So we're gonna be like chars dot remove s left. Okay. And then we're gonna go left plus equal 1. Okay, so yeah, so basically as we're going down, so let's say we're doing this one. So we're gonna basically remove, so when we get to A is in there, so we're gonna remove S left, which is A, and then we're gonna add 1 to left, so it's checking B, and be like, so now is A out of the substring? Because like that's what we're checking with, right? And it's like, yes, so then we still have 3. But even though we removed it, we have to still add it back. That's right. Because like A is still going to be in it, so by the time we move, so it would be BCA now. And then, oops, max len equals max len. Oops, no. Right minus left plus 1. So yeah, so this part right here, we're basically just checking to see which is more, the current max length that we have, which at this point I feel like would be like, it would be 3. So like when we get rid of that and we go to this, be like, well, is 3 more? No, it isn't. So it's just going to be max length's just going to stay the same for this one. But yeah, that's how it's basically updates to make sure that it's the bigger one every single time. And then we're gonna go return max len. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions, because I'd love to help you out.